Trying to figure out what plugs and outlets cannot go together can be confusing as to why they wouldn't work. In this video, we'll be discussing a common misunderstanding on why a NEMA 630 outlet cannot be adapted to accept regular household plugs. To start, we need to understand how both the outlet and the plug are wired. A regular household plug, NEMA 515, is rated at 15 amps 125 volts and is wired as one hot, one neutral, and the ground. While the NEMA 630 outlet is rated at 30 amps 250 volts and is wired with two hots and a ground, and no neutral. Already, you can see the differences between the two. They're both designed for different voltages and wired differently. There is no way to adapt between the two. Trying to create a homemade adapter that allows a 125 volt plug to go into a 250 volt outlet is very dangerous and can fry your electronics. It's important to pay close attention to the wiring and rating of both the plug and outlet before considering trying to combine them. It could end up being very dangerous if the wrong products are connected. If this video helped you better understand why household plugs can't be adapted to 630 outlets, leave a like and subscribe for more electrical safety insights. Thanks for watching.